In this video, we will see how to create a logo animation using PowerPoint. First, I am going to open a blank presentation. Then I am selecting everything on the stage by clicking and dragging the mouse pointer and deleting them by pressing the delete key from the keyboard. I am going to insert and selecting shapes. From there, selecting text box and then placing it on the stage and typing my first text as logo. After typing the text, I change the font name, font size and font color. Now, I select the text box and holding down the Ctrl key from keyboard and dragging the text box to duplicate it. I am changing the font color for the new text box and updating the text. I align both the text box to fit in same line. I want the logo text to come from left side and animation text to come from right side. I will be doing it by giving animation to both the objects. I select logo text box and going to animations, then selecting add animations button and choosing fly in. I change the direction by selecting effect options and choosing from left. In the same way, I am going to add animation for the second text box as fly in and changing the effect option as from right. From the animation pan, I set both the objects to start with previous and check the preview. I insert icons for the logo by going to insert, icons and choosing arts and selecting a color tray and brush and clicking on the insert button to bring them on the stage. Changing their colors with graphics fills from format and placing them between the text boxes. I select both the icons and choosing animations, then add animations and selecting zoom animation. From the animation pan, I set both the objects to start with previous and check the preview. I am inserting an audio clip by going to insert, audio on my PC and choosing my audio file. From playback, I check the box hide during show. From animations, I make sure it is in play state. From the animation pan, I set audio to start with previous. Audio playtime is nearly 2 seconds. I check the preview to check the sound effect. In transitions, I uncheck after mouse click and I set it after 2 seconds to match my audio and my animation duration. To export the file, go to File, Export, Create a Video. From the first drop down, select your preferable size and from the second drop down, choose Don't Use Recorded Timings and Narrations and set the seconds spent on each slide as 2 as per our transition timing. Click on Create Video button to convert the file. In the status bar, you can monitor the progress. Now the video file is being created. Let's open.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.